Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Typically, applications request permission to access your iPhone camera before you can use its features. But what if you run into a situation where you cannot grant camera access to a particular application because there is no toggle in your settings? In this video, I will guide you through 4 straightforward solutions to resolve this issue and enable your chosen app to access your iPhone camera. Let's go. In some cases, you may not be able to grant camera access to a specific app due to restrictions that have been set. To check, navigate to Settings and open the Screen Time configuration page. Go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Locate the Allowed Apps and Features section, and make sure that Camera is enabled. To manually initiate camera permission settings if you skip them during installation, try starting a video directly from the app. For instance, using Discord as an example, find the video call feature. A prompt should then appear requesting you to configure camera access in your iPhone settings. Simply follow the prompt and confirm to grant access. If the camera access toggle is still missing, the problem may be app-specific, possibly caused by outdated features or bugs. To resolve this issue, simply reinstall the application, delete the app, and then retrieve it from the App Store. Upon reopening the app, permission prompts should appear. Ensure you grant camera access and other necessary permissions to fully access the app's features. Your last option, if none of the previous solutions have resolved the camera access issue, is to reset all iPhone settings. Keep in mind that resetting all iPhone settings can potentially fix camera access issues without deleting your data. However, be aware that this will erase personalized settings like Wi-Fi passwords, privacy options, Apple Pay cards, and more. To begin, go to Settings, tap General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Under the Reset section, select Reset All Settings and verify the action by providing your device passcode. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.